To ensure enhanced security vetting of tenants and to ensure the safety and security of citizens of the state, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma and Home Minister Lahkmen Rymbui on the 8th of September 2022 launched the online portal of the Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Act, which will be implemented in 7 localities in East Khasi Hills District that will roll out the implementation of the MRSSA. These include Nongrim Hills, Lapalang, Nongrah, Nongmensong, Pohkseh, Laban and Wahdienglieng. This is with the aim to prevent antisocial elements from gaining shelter in the state, which might be detrimental to peace and tranquility. Conrad Sangma thanked Team NIC Meghalaya for working hard to bring the portal to life, Team DC Office East Khasi Hills for holding consultations with the localities and for bringing them on board, Team Meghalaya Police and all the departments that will play a crucial role in implementation of the initiative. He also expressed his gratitude to the localities for joining hands with the government and encouraged them to ensure the success of the initiative.
This has been something that has been pending for quite some time. We had a lot of challenges while we tried to move forward in this. Apart from many others, COVID was a major challenge which had a kind of impact which slowed down almost every aspect of governance. And this aspect of working closely with the different localities and headmans was majorly impacted because of that. But nonetheless, because of the continuous hard work and dedication shown by all the officials, we are all here today finally launching this particular app and website. And this is a very important beginning. Apart from the fact that we will be focusing on the safety and security of the people who are residing in different localities, this also acts as a very strong intelligence system for us to know exactly who is where, in which locality, and allows us to be able to accordingly monitor and act based on this intelligence input. And obviously, as I said, this kind of exercise is something that is going to really help us not just in terms of the safety and security, and be able to know who are the people who are staying in different localities, and especially people who are coming in from outside and residing there. But more so it will help us to digitize things and even help us to monitor the different services, the schemes and the programs that the government implements, and we'll be able to do it in a much better manner. So that's the ultimate goal, and we feel that of course it's going to take a lot of time. I don't expect that we will be able to achieve everything in a matter of days or months, but it's a process that will move forward. And as everybody has mentioned today, that we will have teething problems. So it's not that the system is going to be perfect. We'll have to keep improving it, and we'll have to make it more user-friendly, and it will require a lot of training to be given to the different localities. It may require some infrastructures to be created, some support to be given to the localities.